Hello everyone! Have you ever thought of having a publicly accessible website, especially for free, so you don't have to spend a single cent? Well, I guess you have discovered the right place. In this time, I will demonstrate step by step how to host a website for free on a certain web hosting platform. Many web hosting providers are not free, and people should pay periodically to host a website. It is an absolute obstacle for beginners who are willing to learn to develop websites independently and make them publicly accessible so their friends can access them. Hence, this tutorial solves the problem. This tutorial covers the website creation at 000webhost.com and an optional guide to set up WordPress manually on your website. The steps to hosting a web on 000webhost.com are divided into three main steps. These are creating a website, uploading and publishing the website, and setting up WordPress on the website.
Free web hosting tends to be limited in features that you must pay to get what you need. If you want entirely free web hosting, you almost always have to put advertisements on your website. One of the solutions to this problem could be 000 Webhost. 000 Webhost is a free web hosting company powered by hosting. 000 Webhost came with a lot of features like website builder, WordPress support, and no ads. 000 Webhost is the best free web hosting option for people who are truly on a budget. There are several requirements that you have to do and things that you have to prepare before you start hosting a website. These are personal computer, browser, Google account, and an active internet connection. You can also prepare an archived WordPress zip obtained from WordPress.com from its official site, but this one is optional.
Now, we will get into the steps that you have to do. First thing you need to do is turn on your computer. Visit https://000webhost.com by typing it on the address bar and then press enter button. Click on sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Choose Login with Google for convenience, assuming you already have a Google account, and follow the Google's login steps. There will be some kind of welcome page, usually with a large button entitled Let's Create Some Magic. Then click that button. When the page asks what would you like to do, choose Other. Then, when the page asks us for the name of the project, provide a meaningful website name, example English for IT 101, and a secure password can be automatically generated in order to gain access to administrative rights. Then proceed and wait for a moment. When the website creation has finished and the page prompts us choose your weapon of mass creation, your site. This will enable us to freely customize the website, in example without templates or something. The website will redirect us to its file manager and then start uploading your website files, if any, into public_HTML folder. When you finish uploading your files, visit your site in the form of URL https://xxx.000webhostapp.com, where xxx is your website name. In this case, https://english4it101.000webhostapp.com. Congratulations! You've just published your own website for free. You can stop right here and go wild with your website administration via its control panel by clicking Manage Website of the website list in the Members area.
The next steps are optional. If you are going to set up some WordPress powered blog, I recommend to follow the next step. First, make sure you have downloaded WordPress archive from its official site, https://wordpress.org/download/. Then go to the file manager and upload the WordPress archive inside the public_html folder. The next step is to extract the archive. The built-in Ansible does not seem to work properly, so you have to download third-party Ansible's tool at https://github.com/edit/ansible by clicking the code button and then download it. After downloading the Ansible tool, extract it on your PC and then upload ansible.php to the public_html folder on the server using the remote file manager. After finishing the upload, go to the URL corresponding to ansible.php, https://webhostsup.com/ansible.php, where xxx is your website name. Extract the WordPress archive by selecting the correct WordPress archive and leave the extraction page. Fill empty to extract to current directory. After finishing the extraction, when going to the public_html directory in the file manager, there is a folder named WordPress that is corresponding to our WordPress file as the result of extraction. Then start the WordPress installation by visiting https://xxx/000webhostapps.com/WordPress, where xxx is your website name, then follow the on-screen instruction. The installation will ask you to provide the following details: database name, database username, database password, database host, and table prefix. Before proceeding, we should create our database first for storing WordPress data, e.g. blog post, user setting, etc. We can create the database by going to our control panel, then select on tool section on the sidebar, then choose database manager and click on new database button. Provide a database name, e.g. blog, username, e.g. admin, and password. Over the mouse to the I button for password rule. After database creation has finished, copy the database information db name, db user, db host from the table to the WordPress installation and type in your previously set database passwords, and then continue the installation. Follow the on-screen instruction again. And when the installation has finished, you can visit the newly created blog at https://webhotapps.com/wordpress and access the admin dashboard at https://webhotapps.com/wordpress/webadmin where XXX is your website name.
In summary, if we want to host a website for free, there are several steps that must be considered. There is a free web hosting option provided by 00webhost.com. You can visit its website, creating an account, and follow the setup guide there. You can also manage your website file by its built-in file manager. Furthermore, if you want to incorporate a WordPress blog, you will need to download and extract the WordPress archive to the server and then follow its installation guide. Don't forget to set up your database with Database Manager to be used by your WordPress blog. What do you think about this tutorial video? It is really helpful if you need to host a website but you don't have enough budget, isn't it? Now you can test and experiment with your handcrafted website freely on the internet and share it with your friends. Even though hosting a website on 000 web host might need some effort, it is really worth it because you can get a lot of advantage. Make sure the simple requirement already exists, namely personal computer, browser, Google account, and an active internet connection. Now it's your turn to host your own website on the internet and make them publicly accessible. If you have any problem, be sure to Google it first or try to figure it out by yourself because any mistake you will possibly make won't seriously break anything. It's fine. From the several steps described earlier, starting from preparing the requirement, visiting the 000webhost.com, creating a website, uploading and publishing the website, to setting up the WordPress, these are the things that need to be considered in how to host a website for free. It is simple and straightforward, right? Thank you, Mr. Hassan, for giving this assignment so that we can all understand more about this material. Thank you, 000 Webhost, for providing a free web hosting solution. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. We hope that this tutorial video can be useful for anyone who is watching. See you and have a nice day.